Today I am going to show you how stomach vacuum is truly helpful. So when I haven't sucked my stomach in, it's like this. This is the normal way my stomach looks. I have come so far. My stomach was really big. I've burned a lot of fat. I encourage you to start with my 60-day workout challenge. But let's go into this stomach vacuum, belly vacuum that I have recently learned. So when I haven't sucked my stomach in, it's like this. If I haven't told you already, I am a mother of 3 amazing children. 2, 7, and 10. So that's how my stomach looks without the sucked in exercise. But when I suck it in, it's like this. You suck it in as deep as you can. And you can have it sucked in and still talk. Like right now I'm still talking, but I am sucked in. And keep it sucked in for about 30 seconds, but very well sucked in. Or as long as you can go. If you can go more, go more. Let me go more. I let go. Do this at least 30 seconds without talking, without moving. That makes me keep the concentration and really sucked in. That's how the exercise truly works. Do this maybe repeated 6 to 8 times in a session. Do it every day if you can. And in a few days, you begin to feel the stomach muscles hurt. It means that you have worked them out and they're beginning to respond to what you want. They're beginning to say, oh, she wants us sucked in. So we better go where we belong before we pushed out. Because normally, as a normal person, as you grew up, the belly wasn't big, but things